What is going on, everyone? Abel Albonetti here, and I am always looking for a low-carb treat. So today I'm going to show you how to make salted coconut almond bark. Half a cup of coconut oil, half a cup of unsweetened coconut chips, half a cup of almonds, 100 grams of baking unsweetened chocolate, 10 drops liquid stevia, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So the first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, you need to put the almonds and coconut chips in a foil-lined baking sheet and bake for 5 to 8 minutes. After your almonds and coconut flakes cook, have them cool down, and now we're going to prepare the chocolate. So you're going to need a small saucepan. You're going to melt down the chocolate, and then you're going to gradually add in the coconut oil and the stevia. So once your chocolate is melted, we're going to pour it into a pan that is lined with wax paper. So before your chocolate cools down, you need to sprinkle the coconut flakes and the almonds onto the chocolate, and then you're going to sprinkle on some salt. And now all you have to do is pop it in the freezer for 30 minutes. So after it cools down, pull it out of the freezer and break it up in small pieces, and there you have a very low-carb treat. And for more videos like this, for more athletes like me, just keep coming back to Bodybuilding.com.